LG has announced the launch of 3 new budget smartphones in India, the LG W10, LG W30 and LG W30 Pro. The company is aiming to make a fresh start in the country with its new W series, promising good features at attractive prices. 2 of these 3 models will soon go on sale in India. Gadgets 360 was present at the launch and this is our first look. But before we go ahead, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and hit the bell icon so you know when we post a new video. The LG W10 sports a 6.19-inch HD Plus display with an 18:9:9 aspect ratio. This dual SIM smartphone runs Android 9 Pie out of the box and is powered by the MediaTek Helio P22 SoC under the hood with 3GB of RAM. It also has 32GB of inbuilt storage which is expandable using a microSD card. The battery capacity is 4000 mAh. In terms of photography, the LG W10 packs a dual rear camera setup comprising of a 13-megapixel primary sensor with face detect autofocus assisted by a 5-megapixel fixed focus depth sensor. At the front you get an 8-megapixel camera for selfies. The smartphone will be available in 2 color options, tulip purple and smoky grey. As for the LG W30, this model features a 6.26-inch HD Plus display with an aspect ratio of 19:9. There's a feature in this phone that lets the users mask the notch as per their liking. Like the LG W10, the W30 is also powered by the MediaTek Helio P22 SoC and features 3GB of RAM and 32GB of inbuilt storage. This is expandable using a microSD card in the hybrid slot. This phone also gets a 4000 mAh battery under the hood and runs Android 9 Pie out of the box. In terms of optics, the LG W30 sports a triple rear camera setup comprising of a 13-megapixel wide-angle sensor, a 12-megapixel low-light sensor and a 2-megapixel depth sensor for bokeh shots. At the front there's a 16-megapixel camera for handling selfies. The LG W30 will be available in 3 color options: Platinum Grey, Thunder Blue and Aurora Green. The LG W10 is priced at 8,999 rupees, while the LG W30 has been priced at 9,999 rupees in India. Both the phones are Amazon exclusives and their first flash sale will take place on July 3rd. As for the LG W30 Pro, the company has not yet revealed any price and availability details, but it will be available for purchase at a later date. So that was our first look at the new LG W10 and LG W30. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech log on to gadgets360.com.